Rez here, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I did get a jailbreak finally, and I'm going to be modding a lot. So as you can see, I'm modding my stats up, all diamond. It's sick. It's like really cool. So I'll show you on my other controller. And then once I mod, it looks like this. So yeah, it looks so cool. It looks really cool. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much that. But I'm gonna be modding accounts, so it's pretty cool that I finally got a jailbreak. With the jailbreak, what I can do is I can basically host modded lobbies, all diamond, everything, stats up high. Basically have everything unlocked, so, and you get whatever prestige that you want. That's what I did. I just chose this prestige, so that's pretty much it for like what I want to talk about with modding. So yeah, basically I don't usually mod, but I really like modding. It's just like really fun. So as you can see, I just 1.43 and then 1.43. My stats are about the same because I just set them as that. So it's really cool. It's really cool, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be, as you can see, like people are always asking me for modded accounts because I'm a modder and stuff, and I be modding lobbies. So cool. It's like really cool. So thanks for watching this video, and if I get 5 likes on this video, I'll host a modded lobby.